Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here today in San Francisco. I am thrilled to be joined by Assemblymember Mark Levine, who has been not only a champion on some of these privacy issues, but it's a great working relationship with his team and my team to be able to work on some of these issues that are important for all consumers in California when it comes to their privacy. So let's get to this. Last year, the California State Assembly, with the help of Assemblymember Levine, passed landmark legislation along with the state Senate, providing Californians with a greater level of internet protection than any other place in America. In fact, almost any other place in the world. And that California Consumer Privacy Act is now law. The Department of Justice is in the process of doing everything we can to solicit comment and information so we can prepare regulations for the implementation of that law. And we will be able to say in California, as we've been able to say on so many other occasions, that we are the leaders. We are at the forefront of protecting the rights of the people of this country who live in the state of California. That's something that we take pride in being able to say, that we work hard to be forward-leaning and to make sure that our people have every opportunity to do the best they can for their families and for our state. And certainly that helps our country. We've been a leader in protecting people's precious personal data for decades. We have some of the most robust privacy laws in the nation. Back in 2003, we were the first in the nation to try to protect Americans in California when there had been a breach by some fraudster into a company's data that would cause the disclosure of a consumer's personal information. That legislation provided protections for Californians. It said that if a company suffered a breach, that company had to notify you if your personal data had been disclosed. 2003. To date, the United States government has done nothing to protect Americans in the same way. There have been other states who have joined California in trying to provide that type of protection. But California continues to be the leader when it comes to protecting individuals' privacy. So it should surprise no one that today I'm standing here with Assemblymember Levine to talk about how we're actually now planning to try to improve on that 2003 law. We've learned a few things over the years. We've seen what's happened with some of these breaches, and we have more information now to help guide us. And I want to thank Assemblymember Levine for the work that he's been doing on these issues. It takes a lot of vigilance and a lot of persistence. It's an evolving area of the law, and we need people who are on top of it. I would say that what reminds Californians of how important this is are the instances when their privacy is not protected. If I were to mention the Uber incident where 57 million users of Uber had their private information disclosed in a data breach, that might trigger your memory of why it is important that we have some way to protect what we give to these companies. We reached a historic settlement with Uber a few months back. We secured $148 million in a nationwide settlement to resolve that breach that occurred with Uber's customers. The difficulty here is that, if you recall, Uber not only failed to report to Californians that breach in a timely way, it also actually tried to pay the hackers to cover up the breach. That's where you end up having to pay $148 million for what you did. We have an opportunity today to make that data breach law stronger. And that's why we're moving today to try to make it more difficult for those hackers and those cyber criminals to not win in this game of getting your private information. As we know, California law requires companies to notify any California resident whose personal information has been compromised. The bill we're introducing today adds, as I mentioned, a couple of categories: of personal information that will gain that same level of protection. Government issued ID numbers, which are already part of it, will now include passports, passport cards, and green cards. Biometric information, your fingerprints, retina scans, the type of biometric information that's being used more and more, that will also now get coverage if this measure becomes law. You may recall the Starwood Hotels breach that occurred not long ago, Starwood now being owned by Marriott. That breach last year underscores the importance of protecting passport numbers. Starwood Hotel suffered a massive data breach of its guest database, some 327 million records containing a guest's name, address, phone number, date of birth, gender, passport numbers, and more. The company has confirmed that more than 5 million of their guests' unencrypted passport numbers were stolen. Current law, of course, doesn't include those passport numbers under its protections. And so if it had only been passport information, Starwood Hotel would not have had to report that data breach information to those 5 million customers who had their passport numbers disclosed. These passport numbers are valuable to criminals, especially those who seek to build fake profiles and commit sophisticated identity theft and fraud. This bill would close that loophole and extend that protection to those people who deserve it. And it is a simple but essential additional move to perfect our data breach law. We hope that this is legislation that will swiftly pass in the legislature and get the approval of the governor. And we hope then that we can further secure Californians' personal information for their own personal use, not for some fraudster's use. With that, let me ask Assemblymember Levine for his remarks.
Thank you very much, Attorney General Becerra. Good afternoon. My name is Assemblymember Mark Levine. I'm proud to represent California's 10th Assembly District, which includes Marin and Southern Sonoma counties. Attorney General Becerra, thank you for standing with me today to protect Californians from data breaches. Your leadership has been outstanding, and I am grateful to have you as a partner with AB 1130. There is a real danger when our personal information is not protected by those we trust. While sharing some personal identifying information can make travel and e-commerce more convenient, as we have seen from numerous media reports, data breaches are becoming all too common an occurrence in our nation. According to Privacy Rights Clearinghouse, since 2005, over 9,000 data breaches have been reported in the United States alone, impacting over 11.5 billion records. To highlight just a few personal data breaches over the past 8 years, a stroll down memory lane if people haven't remembered or if they've forgotten. In 2011, Sony's PlayStation Network was hacked, compromising the personal information of 77 million gamers. In 2013, the retail chain Target was hacked, compromising the personal information of 110 million customers. In 2014, internet retailer eBay was hacked, compromising the personal information of 145 million customers. In 2017, the credit monitoring company Equifax was hacked, compromising the personal information of 143 million customers. And in 2018, the hotel chain Marriott was hacked, compromising 327 million customers' information, including passport numbers for millions of them. While some in Washington feign a crisis at our southern border, no wall, no matter how tall, would have protected the 327 million customers from having their personal information, some including passport numbers, stolen by hackers during the 2018 Marriott breach. America doesn't need a wall at our southern border. What America needs is a firewall to protect American consumers from identity theft and fraud. Hacking of passport information on personal or personal biometric data is especially dangerous in the hands of those who seek to commit harm, including drug cartels seeking to smuggle illegal drugs and weapons into the United States through our ports of entry. Businesses must do more to protect personal data, and I am proud to stand with Attorney General Becerra in demanding greater disclosure by a company when a data breach has occurred. AB 1130 will close a loophole in the state's existing data breach notification law by requiring businesses to notify consumers of compromised passport numbers and biometric information. In 2003, California became the first state to pass a data breach law, requiring companies to disclose breaches of personal information to California consumers whose personal information was or is reasonably believed to have been acquired by an unauthorized person. This personal information includes identifiers such as a person's social security number, driver's licenses, credit card number, and medical and health insurance information. AB 1130 would update that law to include passport numbers as personal information protected under the statute. Passport numbers are unique, government-issued, static identifiers of a person, which makes them valuable to criminals seeking to create or build fake profiles and commit sophisticated identity theft, consumer fraud, or immigration fraud. This bill would also update the statute to include protections for a person's unique biometric information, such as a fingerprint, retina, or iris image. We must all do more to protect Americans from identity theft, and the businesses we patronize must do more to protect our personal information. AB 1130 is an important step toward protecting personal and biometric data. Thank you again, Attorney General Becerra, for your leadership. I look forward to working with you, my legislative colleagues, and Governor Newsom this year to make sure it becomes law. Thank you.